Have you ever been on a train ride, Bella? Hi. Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo.
Hey, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Olivia Emery. Choo 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 train. Here we go. Wow. You know what? I'm going to give you my hat. You need my hat on. I want you to be warm. That's much better. We're going to get warm, Tawa. Oh, look at the deer over here. Look, Olivia. Look. Oh, Tawa. Oh, look at there. Wow. Wow. Nice. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Mining company, of course. As long as they're not mining uranium. Uh-huh. Oh, dear. Look at there. Nice. Oh, look at this one, Easton. Bella. Oh, look. Oh, there's a cow. Moo, moo. Moo. Oink, 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 oink. Wow, we did it. Okay. Yeah. That guy was kind of mean on the roller coaster ride, I thought. Anyways, that's me. I gotta go. Wow, train ride guy. He's waving hi. That's cool. We gotta go, guys. Bye.